Hello. Yes, it is us.
Hello, us.
Right, I got this thing here. It's the Forbidden Lands Legends and Adventures booklet.
Ooh.
And I don't know much about the lore of the Forbidden Lands, so if we come up against any of that. But I thought we could randomize. It randomizes use like random character creation. So shall we do that?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright, first of all, you gotta choose. They said it's your kin. So you gotta roll D66.
Okay. 26.
26.
Or 62, I'm not sure which.
Well, we'll choose
62.
62.
Yeah.
You are a wolfkin,
Oh,
which is presumably a wolf person.
okay. Alright. I don't mind being a furry.
Yeah, you're furry. Alright, furry. Now, first up is your home region, so you roll a d6.
1.
It says your home region is the gloom of Fang Woods.
I come from a dark place.
Yes.
Alright.
Now your wolfkin childhood
Okay.
is a d6.
3.
It says outcast. When the other cubs ran with the pack, you were cast out.
Oh no.
Alone, you learn to live off the forest, and that other kin could be more kind than your own.
Oh, wow,
One
okay.
day you will find your way home. Ah. Alright, I'll tell you what your abilities are. Strength is 4.
Okay.
Agility is 3.
Yep.
Wits is 5. And empathy is 3.
Okay.
And your skills are melee, scouting, and they're both at level 1. And then insight and survival, they're both at level 2.
Okay, cool.
Alright? Okay, profession.
Okay. 12.
It's a druid.
Oh, bloody hell.
That makes sense.
What's 21?
What's
out of
wrong with
interest?
a druid? A druid. 21 is a
What's-
fighter. You want that?
I don't know.
You gotta choose one of them.
Bloody druid.
What's
Alright, go on then.
What's wrong with a druid?
Okay, we'll see. It's random. Let's see. See what it is.
Alright, you're a druid. Okay, so now roll a d6 and I will give you your path of the druid.
2.
You have chosen the path of healing.
Okay, good.
You are a healer.
Good. I'm up
To
for
be
that.
honest, reading these, druid just is the,
Healer.
yeah, basically.
No, that's fine. I'm good for that.
Yeah, so you have the path of healing. You're a
Cool.
healing furry.
Okay. Pet me and you feel better.
I will. Now roll d6 for your formative event.
Ooh. 5.
You protected the forest.
Nice.
You took it upon yourself to protect the forest against the evil and violence of strangers.
Nice.
You lived in the cover of proud trees, one with the beings of the forest.
Sounds like me.
Well, it sounds nice because you got cast out and then you protected the forest that looked after you.
It's like my pack was moving on, but I was like, well, we've got to look after the forest.
Yeah.
And they left anyway.
You receive a short bow.
Ooh. Okay.
A short bow and arrows you receive.
Thanks.
You get some more skills. Marksmanship, animal handling at level 1.
Both of those are level 1, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
And your special talent is herbalist.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, it's good.
Alright, that's it. It's my turn now. So I will now beam the booklet to you. I think you're just quite good, the wolf.
Yeah, I like it.
Alright, tell me what to do.
Alrighty. So roll a d66 for your kin.
Okay. 56.
Okay. Orc.
A what?
An orc.
Oh no! Oh no! What's a 65?
Elf.
Oh, I'll be an elf. Can I be an elf? Can I
Yeah.
cheat? I'm an elf.
You're a twink, basically.
I'm a twink. Oh no! Play something realistic. Okay, what's my talents?
So-
My twink powers.
Alright. Let's find out your home region.
Okay.
D6.
3.
The plains of Moldena.
What the
Moldena.
planes
The plains of Moldena.
of Maltesers? I got it. Moldina, yeah,
Oh,
whatever.
whoa. Half elf. I am very sorry. You rolled the edge of Dankwood.
Oh, great. Edge of Dankwood.
Yeah. So, your childhood,
Yeah.
D6.
2.
Fighter.
I'll beat you up. I'm a twink.
Well, yeah.
I'm gonna beat you up. My twink arms. I'll beat you up.
Fighter. You learned early on that you were talented with weapons.
Yeah.
Soon you were taken on by a warrior who taught you the mysteries of battle. You trained hard and long, and in time you became your master's equal.
Okay.
That sounds like a story in itself.
Me and that warrior trained hard and long, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Give me the... All right, what's my skills?
Okay, your attributes are
Okay.
strength,
Yeah.
4.
4.
Agility,
Yeah.
5.
5. Okay.
Wits,
Yeah.
3.
Okay.
Empathy,
Yeah.
3.
Okay.
And your skills,
Yeah.
might is 1.
Yeah.
Endurance is 1.
Okay.
Melee and marksmanship are both 2.
Cool. Well,
And
that's
then you've got a
cool.
profession. It kind of makes sense that you'd be the fighter.
Yeah, but let's just roll it anyway because it's random.
All right, D66.
Okay, go. 61.
Rogue.
Okay.
You could be a fighter,
I
rogue.
think I'll be a rogue.
Okay.
Otherwise, 16 is another druid.
No, 16 is a fighter.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, let's have that then.
All right.
So I rolled 61 or 16.
Yeah, okay. Well,
Well, let's have 16 then as a fighter, innit?
Sure.
Make sense. I'm going to beat you up. I'm going to beat you up.
We're not going to be working together.
I'm going to be... Oh, right, yeah.
You do the fighting and I'll keep you alive by healing.
Okay.
Okay, D6.
I was just speaking out to the world in general. I'm going to beat you up. So what? What do I do?
Profession talent.
Oh, okay.
Roll a D6.
6.
Path of the enemy.
Okay. What's that?
All right.
Oh, we've probably got to get another book for that. Okay. Is that everything?
Formative events.
Oh, yeah, sure.
D6.
4.
On horseback.
Oh.
Blimey. You learned to ride and signed on as a knight with a lord.
Okay.
You fought in skirmishes, patrolled and guarded the country from enemies. Receive a mount of your choice.
Okay.
Not a warhorse.
Pig! Sorry, what did you say? Not a warhorse?
Not a warhorse.
Oh,
yeah.
I don't want a pig. A bout of my choice. I'll just have a nice horse.
Yeah, okay.
Nice horse. Wow.
You've got skills, 3 extra skills.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, 2.
Okay.
Melee, 1.
Does that mean I add it to my melee because I've already got melee?
Yeah, go on.
So I got 3 melee now. I'll beat you up.
And animal handling,
Okay.
which makes sense if we're going to get along.
Is that 1?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And your talent.
I can ride on you.
I don't know about that.
Okay. What else?
And your talent is horseback fighter.
Okay. Is my item a horse? Is that what my...
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Is that it? Alright, there is one more thing. D66, how did we meet?
Ooh.
Go on then, tell us.
12.
Caravan. You participated in a caravan that travelled through the Forbidden Lands.
Okay.
That's a bit boring. Should we look at 21?
Yep.
21. All-night bender. You don't remember much of the evening, only that there were proper celebration. In the haze, you met some drinking buddies in the form of other adventurers, and you shared tankards of wine stories and even had a little bit of a tussle before dawn broke. You've been friends ever since. Should we go with the caravan? During the journey, you got to know some adventurers who were part of the caravan. After many hardships, you finally reached your destination, and in the process, you found new friends.
Okay.
Wonder why you left your forest. I have a horse.
Well, it could be there's something attacking my forest, but I've got to look elsewhere to seek answers. You know that?
We can generate a legend very quickly.
Go on then.
Alright,
Right, go.
legend generator, ready? Once upon a time, there was a
32.
skilled
42.
sorcerer.
Mm.
Alright, once upon a time, there was a skilled sorcerer who sought
25.
a friend in need
Oh.
because of
44.
duty.
Okay.
So they travelled to
56.
a hill
Okay.
which was located
Where's my mate? Oh, they might be on that hill. All right. 2.
close by.
No, okay.
They travelled to
Did we
a
have to
hill
go
that
too
was
far then?
close by.
Okay.
I can't turn the page, legend generator. Oh, it's just a really thick
Just
page.
thick. You like
Anyway.
it thick, don't you, friend?
Friend, shut up.
Mhm.
It was located close by in
36.
a forest.
Okay. On a hill.
No, the hill's in the forest.
Okay.
In the direction
21.
northeast.
Okay.
As the legend goes, it is said
11.
that they were betrayed.
Oh.
And at the location,
15.
there's a powerful artifact.
Ooh.
But also
14.
aggressive
62.
ogres.
Okay.
Okay, now recap. Tell us.
A sorcerer went to find their friend because they felt a duty to.
Yes.
They had to go northeast or something. It wasn't far.
It was just over there.
It was just over there, in the forest over there,
Yeah.
at a hill that was in the forest,
Yeah.
where there's an artifact, but they were betrayed and presumably set upon by some aggressive ogres.
I reckon that they brought the artifact with them because they were a sorcerer and they were betrayed and the artifact remains there.
Right.
And there's ogres there.
Oh, that's the legend. So we
Yes.
maybe want to go find the hill in the forest and
Yes,
find
but
the
now
artifact.
ogres are there, so...
Okay.
Well, wasn't that fun, everyone? That's it, everyone. That's it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, what do you think? I'm gonna go now.
Okay, bye-bye.